by me. My goals are to have an ultrasonic sensor that detects how far away the object is, and if it is close enough, the alarm will go off. Build a weird house and watch out for the very loud and high-pitched sound. The design for this build is to have an ultrasonic sensor to detect if someone is trying to get in. If it is close enough, then an alarm sound will blare very loudly. If you press a button, the whole thing will start again and repeat. The build of this project was mostly hard except the house part. The project has one Raspberry Pi, one breadboard, 13 wires, one ultrasonic sensor, sound alarm, 8 resistors, 1 button, and 3 LEDs. The program for this project was long and very easy to do. It is very long, so this part of the code is only the beginning. The LED 1 equals 29, LED 2 equals 31, etc. is which GPIO it is connected to, the wire. The hardest part was putting in the wires and everything else on the breadboard. If I did it again, the project, I would make it in real life.
So can you explain to us what you're doing?
If your hand comes close, it'll blare an alarm. When you press a button, it'll reset the whole thing.
Okay. Does anyone else have questions for her?
What with the bird instead of like the bad guy? Can you identify the bird?
Maybe.
I don't know. Okay, anyone else? No? All right, let's give a round of applause.